Here are some organizing hacks for your ADHD home that are guaranteed to save you time. Number one, you have a pre-packed bag and you have it somewhere where that you can pass by it and you won't miss it. And the reason you have this bag is so you can put everything you need on a daily basis in the bag. So let's say you know that you need certain toiletries every day. You put that in the bag. Maybe you have a certain folder you need to take with you each and every day to work or to school or whatever. Maybe you need to make sure that you have your laptop in there, so you make sure that's in the bag. Make sure that you have whatever you need before you need to walk out the door and it's in that bag. So when you get ready to go, you don't have to look and try to find everything and try to remember everything. Then you can just go by, pick up that bag, and have confidence that you don't have to go around looking for things or that you may have lost something. And another organization hack that will save you time is you have things where you use them the most frequently. For example, you want to make coffee in the morning. Every morning, that's your thing. So you want to have all your coffee stuff in one section. So you don't have to go look around and figure out, okay, where are my coffee cups or where are the stirrers for the coffee? You have them all in one section. And you can do this with everything in your house, everything that you use for a certain activity, and you know that you're going to use it frequently, have it in that place. Another organization hack that will save you time is to have baskets around your house or apartment. And here's why. One, they come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, so you can probably find a basket that suits your needs or for a certain item you need to put in it. The other thing is it comes in a lot of different colors, so it is really nice and it can match your furniture if you need a basket for that. And another organization hack that will save you time is to have clear bins in your house or apartment. And the reason they save you time is because you can see what is inside, and that is very important when you're trying to find something or look for something, to know what is inside whatever container you have. And the other good thing is you can use them a lot of different places. You want to know what's in a container in your pantry, you put it in a clear bin, you can automatically look at it and say, okay, I know that these nuts are in that clear bin. Or you want to have a clear bin where you have some bookstore that you just don't need at the time, but you know you'll want to find them later. You put them in a clear bin and you can automatically look at them and say, oh, they're those books I need. And another organization hack that will save you time is to have things at the eye level that you need most or that you use the most. In your pantry, in your refrigerator, this is great because of the fact that is where your eyes go first. So you immediately know, okay, I'm looking here first. I know the item I need is right here. Instead of having to look up and down and side to side for the thing that you need, you know it's right in front of you. It's the first thing that you see. And that makes it easy to find stuff. That makes it easy for you to have the thing that you need quicker. And another organization hack that will save you time is to use a dry erase marker on your washing machine to write all the things you need to remember about your clothes. Maybe you can't use a certain detergent on there. Maybe you're not supposed to wash it in this temperature of water or with these other types of clothes. So you write that on your washing machine as a reminder. So when you go up to wash your clothes, you can look at it and say, okay, I got to make sure that these clothes are not with this. I'm not using this on these clothes and whatever. And that way you don't have to go through and look at each piece of clothing that you have to figure out, okay, what do I need to do to wash this certain piece of clothing? You already have the information there. And so that's going to make washing a lot quicker and a lot easier for you. And now, two things about this hack. Generally, your washing machine has to be white for this to work. Two, since you use the dry erase marker, you should be able to wipe off whatever writing you put on there. Now, also make sure you test the dry erase marker on your washing machine beforehand to make sure it's not going to leave any stains or anything like that. And please do not use a permanent marker on your washing machine as well. And another organization hack that will save you time is to label your cables and cords in your house or apartment. Because I've seen it, there are going to be cords and cables behind the TV, or you just have charging cords all over the place, or behind your computer, and you look back there trying to figure out, okay, which one goes to the modem and which one goes to my Wi-Fi and which one goes to this light over here, and you're trying to figure it out and you just don't know. So what you do is you go through and you just test them, right? You take one out, maybe you take the wrong one out and just messes up things, and then you go back and say, okay, I know what that goes to now, and you put it back in, and then you take another out and that messes up things even more. And so if you have them labeled, then you immediately know, okay, this is the cord for this specific thing that I need to take the cord out for whatever reason, or this is the cord that I've plugged in that I need to plug in. I've already plugged in the other one. I know what that cord is. So now I'm going to plug this one in and label it. And another organization hack that will save you time is to label your drawers, because a lot of times you might have drawers and you just don't know what's in them, or you forgot what's in them. And so then what the process is you go through and you're trying different drawers and you just don't find the one you need. And maybe you've gone through 10 or 15 drawers and still not have found the one that you need. And so what you want to do is you want to have labels on your drawer. So it's very easy. You can look and say, okay, I need this drawer. You automatically look at the label and you know what is exactly in that drawer. It's going to save you a lot of time and frustration when you are trying to find a specific thing in a specific drawer. And another organization hack that will save you time is to do some meal planning. And the reason this hack is great is because sometimes you just get to a day and you're just like, I don't feel like cooking. I don't feel like preparing anything. But if I had something, I would automatically go and get it and eat it. And so you do this at the beginning of the week and you just make some really simple meals. You know, maybe you have some grilled chicken with some other stuff on the side that you can have, then quickly pull out and quickly heat up or take with you to work. But it just saves you a huge amount of time in the end of the week, because you don't have to sit and prepare meals and prepare things to eat throughout the week. You do have to do it for one day. And that's much easier and much better than having to do it each and every day. And if you're wondering how to do meal planning with ADHD, I did a video on that as well. Also, if you're enjoying this content, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me. And another organization hack that will save you time is going to be color organization. This is where you take things of a similar type and similar color and put them all together. All my green books are there, all my blue books are there, all my blue shirts are in this location. And so they're much easier to find because you know just by looking at that location, all those things are related. Or you can use labels and label things with different colors, and that way you automatically know, looking at that color and that label, this is what is in that container, this is what is in that place. And it makes things so much easier to find because now all you have to do is look and find a color. And another organization hack that will save you time is to have an over-the-door shoe organizer. Now it's great for shoes. You can have all your shoes in there, you can see and find them very quickly, and you can organize them that way. But the even better thing about it is it doesn't just have to be shoes in the shoe organizer. If you have other items that you have a lot of and you just don't know where to put them, and you don't have that many pairs of shoes, then you can use a short shoe organizer for the specific purpose of storing those different things. And the great thing about it is they're going to be easy to find. So just don't think of a shoe organizer as being for just shoes. And another organization hack that will save you time is to have drawer dividers, and they do exactly as the name suggests. Say you have a drawer and you want to have shirts and shorts in that drawer, then you can put a divider in there. Each one has its separate section. It makes finding things so much easier because they're not just jumbled up together, and you know exactly where to put something as well. And so it's going to save you time because of that. Now, this is not the only video I have about how to do some hacks in your home. I also have a video about how to make your home more ADHD friendly, and you can watch that video right here.